So we've seen it work with the iPhone XS, obviously, because that's what it's designed for, blah, blah, blah. But what about people that have the iPhone 10 and just pretty much got left behind, like myself, who didn't feel like it's actually necessary to upgrade? Now I'm running 12.1.2, not the beta that that one guy dropped on Twitter that said, oh, it does work with the beta, but not the regular. And then he's kind of went back on that statement saying it does work. So let's check it out. Let's see if what we get here. All right, so no pop-up here. Let me see something. Oh, so bang, there you go. It works. You see it right? Oh, it did pop up. But yeah, you saw it. So let's see if I got the widget. I may have to turn it on. Maybe it's on just only for the other ones. But hey, you guys see it work. So we'll get this thing charged up. And in the further videos, I'll kind of check it out. But yeah, you see the fit is kind of what they were talking about. There's a little gap there at the battery. It's not like loose or anything. It's just, I don't know, maybe if you're that picky, that's your gap that you're gonna be left with. They were talking about the mics don't line up perfectly. I'll also check out the call quality, but just to see if it's actually gonna charge your device, it looks like it will. I'm gonna charge it just to do a quick little follow-up here, but bang. So iPhone 10 is gonna work with it. Not too big heavy-wise. It is a little heavy, but it's not like unbearable, especially if you want the extra battery life. All right, so let me get this thing charged up, add a little bit to this video. All right, so just got charging the smart battery case here, charged it up. You did use a fast charger USB-C. I don't know if that actually makes a difference. I have to run some tests, look that up. But we got some charge here, and we'll actually plug it back in, and I got the widget to where you can see that. So we will, bang, it just starts charging it. Bang. Also, it went up to 81% in about an hour, which is interesting. So I wonder if that is a fast charging or if it's a, I would think it does fast charge. But yeah, so again, widget does work on the iPhone 10. Again, there's some different information. Again, your main differences are going to be the covered ports, a little bit off. I will test that. And then your battery, or excuse me, your camera lens doesn't line up perfectly, but it still shoots just fine. You know, it's not blocking anything. So yeah. All right, so you got to see the widget. We got to see it actually charge when it plugged in there, and bang. All right, so if you guys do like the video, you want to see more content, you want to see it on the XS, you want to see actually like how long the charge lasts, how quick it tests, and some further information, sure to like and subscribe and check out some other content. All right, thanks guys.